Hey, another unboxing slash review video, and today we'll be unboxing two £70 price range OBDII devices, namely the Foxwell NT301 and the Ancel AD510. Let's get these out of the boxes. First device is Ancel AD510. As you can see from the first glance, compared to the AD310, it's larger, it feels sturdier, feels more quality, but it's actually not that heavy. Button layout is the same. This one also has the help button, USB, connector port, and this one sports a removable cord. Other items in the packaging: OBDII cord, USB cord, user's manual, and this lovely little bag to keep your device in. The second device in this video is Foxwell NT301. Looks pretty similar to the AD510 and they feel the same. Looks large but it's not heavy. Same button layout with the help button, and this one also has a reboot button, as obviously visible, an non-removable cord, and the USB port. What came with the Foxwell: a user guide, a pamphlet with all the devices you could have, and obviously a USB cable. After holding both devices in my hand, I can tell you that these two feel way sturdier and way more quality than the £30 devices. So field testing the OBDII devices today, I have the Foxwell device in my hand. At first glance I can tell you it doesn't look that much different from the £30 devices. In the menu here we have the OBDII test, of course, code lookup, review, print data, about, and setup. Basically from the menu, everything besides the test and setup are pretty pointless from my point of view. So let's run the test and see what the device offers us as far as functionality goes. So from the menu we can see already familiar possibilities from the £30 devices. It looks pretty much one-to-one similar. Read codes, which is just reading the codes. This car doesn't have any at the moment. If you open up the live data function here, you can see a lot of live statistics from the car's operations, and you can record these when you're driving and play it back, obviously. This live data playback and record function is the main difference between the £30 devices with these twice as expensive devices. Everything else is pretty much the same, so it's even questionable what more do you get with these ones. If you're really interested in the live data function, then this is the primary difference, what you're paying extra for. This is the Ancel AD510. Same options in the main menu. Battery check is the main difference with this one. But other than that, all the other options are the same. I can already tell you the Ancel device is way faster reading the ECU than the Foxwell device. But in all reality, there's not much difference between the functionalities of these two devices. The Ancel device definitely functions faster than the Foxwell device. Out of these two, my favorite would be the Ancel device. So I'm in a 2017 Smart 404, and compared to the 2004 Renault Megane, the device seems to work the same. So this is the Ancel device on the Smart car. Definitely Ancel device is way quicker reading the ECU of the car, but otherwise pretty much more of the same. Out of these two devices, the Ancel device seems to be just way more comfortable to use. Quicker user interface, which is the main difference what I see at the moment. These two devices are totally identical as far as the functionality goes. Like mentioned beforehand, the main difference lies in the operational speed of the Ancel device, which runs noticeably faster through the operations. As compared to the devices half the price, the only real difference besides the physical size is the data logging capability. During my simple test of just reading the fault codes from the ECU, the £30 devices performed equally to the £70 devices. If form is important, then the more expensive devices had better, higher resolution screens with both having colors. Pick your poison. In my humble opinion, for a novice user like me, there's nothing more in the £70 devices than there is in the £30 devices. Besides the data logging, there is nothing more to be gained, and whether it's worth doubling up on the expense is up to the end users themselves.